Troubleshooting. Pressure and water flow issues. Why is the pressure low or spray intermittent and pulsing? Prime the machine, clean nozzle and filter, open tap fully, check O-rings and use narrower nozzles if needed. Why did the washer damage paint, wood and tiles? Always spray from 60 to 90 cm away and use wider spray tips 25 degree to 40 degree for delicate surfaces. What do spray degree means and which one should I use? 0 to 15 degree, narrow, powerful jet for tough dirt. 20 to 40 degree, balance spray for cars, bikes and floors. 40 to 60 degree, gentle white spray for furnitures and glass. Machine power and electrical issues. Why won't my machine switch on or why does it cut off mid-use? Check power plug, avoid long and thin extension cords, reset MCB and fuse, allow cool down after overheating, and contact service if fuse trips repeatedly. Suction and water intake issues. Why is my washer not taking water or suction is inconsistent? Ensure suction hose is fully submerged with strainer, tighten connection, clean inlet filter, clean nozzle, reassemble the machine and use a tap connection if bucket use is unsupported. Leakage issues. Why is my washer leaking or hunting on its own? Hand tighten connectors, check or replace O-rings, grease occasionally and avoid pulling the machine by hose. Hose, gun and usability issues. Why is my hose stuck or hard to reel? Release the pressure before disconnecting, apply oil and reel slowly while guiding hose. Why is the spray gun not releasing water? Clean the trigger gun filter. Detergent and foam issues. Why is soap and foam not working or too weak? Use the soap nozzle and foam filter in low pressure mode. Dilute shampoo in 1:5 and 1:10 ratio. Adjust the foam knob, flush soap tube after the use and use Dylect genuine foam accessories. Noise and vibration issues. Why is my machine noisy or vibrating? Reprime, clean the nozzle and filter, tighten the bolts and seals and note that light cycling noise is normal. Environmental and care issues. Why does my machine look dirty after a few uses? Happens in construction and dusty areas. Wipe after each use, keep on raised surface and use clean water. Why won't my machine start in cold weather? Residual water may freeze, always drain completely and store indoors during winters. Care and storage. How should I shut down or store my washer? Turn off, press trigger to release pressure, disconnect drain hoses, clean filter, grease O-rings and store in dry, rust-free area or closed area to avoid dust and moisture. What should I do after every use? Turn off, release pressure, disconnect hoses, drain water and wipe the machine clean. What weekly checks should I do? Clean inlet filter, grease O-rings, inspect hose for cracks and clear nozzle holes with a cleaning pin. How do I care for my washer long term? Follow duty cycle, 15 to 20 minutes use, 5-minute rest. Store in dry, rust-free place, indoor during winter or closed area to avoid dust, sunlight and moisture. Use only clean water. Descale occasionally with vinegar. Flush detergent system with clean water after use.